Hi, I'm Sir Eugene P. Mapula from Kaibiga High School. Happy 20th anniversary sa Alalay sa Pamilya at Bayan Foundation. What I've learned, syempre yung 3 R's, respect, regard, and responsibility. Kasama dyan yung service, and then humility, kindness, and of course, yung tenacity. More years of celebration na punong-puno ng mga achievements. Another 20 years. Congratulations, and Merry Christmas. God bless everyone.
Hi, I have learned through Cachet to maximize every opportunity to be more of service by giving more of myself and time for others. I have also learned more about the life of Saint Jose Maria Escriva and sanctifying ordinary duties in life. As he said, sanctify yourself, sanctify your work, and sanctify others through your work. So happy 20th anniversary to Alalay sa Pamilya at Bayan Foundation. God bless.
Hello everyone, good day. I am Zaidal De Leon and I started joining Cachet when I was in grade 7. And now that I am in senior high school, Cachet has taught me many valuable lessons that help shape me into a better and more confident version of myself. Through Cachet, I learned discipline, teamwork, and perseverance. The experiences and friendships I gained helped me grow as a person and face challenges with courage. These lessons continue to guide me in my studies and daily life, and I am truly grateful for the impact Cachet has had on my journey.
Thank you, Cachet, for being part of your family and your journey for almost 20 years in shaping me to being a person with integrity. Thank you very much and blessed day.
Dito sa Cachet, natutunan ko po kung paano palagain at patatagin ang aking pananampalataya. Yun din ang paglilingkod sa ating kapwa.
So ako po si Ma'am Christy from Labas Senior High School. Ang pinakamalalim na natutunan ko po sa Cachet ay ang magmahal ng may malasakit sa aking sarili, sa aking pamilya, lalong-lalo na po bilang isang guro sa aking mga mag-aaral. Dahil dito mas naging mabuting guro ako at sa tingin ko din po mas nakatulong po ako sa aking mga mag-aaral, lalo na po yung mga estudyante na nakakaranas ng iba't ibang mabibigat na problema mula sa kanilang pamilya, sa kaibigan at iba pa. So happy 21st anniversary my dear Cachet family at sana po ay magsama-sama pa po tayo ng mas mahaba pa pong mga taon. Thank you so much.
Hi, ako po si Ma'am Arlene ng Kalayaan National High School. As a vocal coach for 4 years and a PWG member, being part of a Cachet 20 years of service has deeply shaped who I am. It taught me to serve with love, responsibility, and compassion, inspiring me to be a better person every day. Thank you and God bless everyone.
Cachet is a gift, an opportunity, and a calling that brought me closer to God, and that taught me to always serve others first, and to embody respect, regard, and responsibility in daily life.
Marami akong natutunan nung maging member ako ng Cachet. Natuto ako ng time management na ayos ko ang mga oras sa bawat araw ko at nasiset ang mga priorities ko. Naging friendly rin ako dahil nagkaroon ako ng mga mentees at nagkaroon ako ng relasyon sa aking mentor na dati ay aloof ako sa makikipagkaibigan sa mga tao kasi meron akong trust issue. At yun ay pinagpapasalamat ko sa Cachet dahil naging member ako ng pamilya ng Cachet. Maraming salamat, Cachet and Amy.
Good day everyone, I am Andrea Martin Twiza and I started Cachet when I was in grade 7, now as a senior high student, and Cachet is more than a program. It is a passion, it's a mission, it is a heart willing to serve. It ignited something within me, a desire to be more mindful of my actions, more understanding of others, and more committed to becoming the best version of myself. Words may not be enough to fully describe what makes Cachet. It is difficult to explain the impact of something that changes you from the inside, but if I were to describe it in one phrase, I would say that Cachet is a burning spirit. It is a spirit that pushes you to be better each day and even into better tomorrow. Thank you.
Magandang buhay everyone, I am Myla Erico, the vocal coach of Camarine High School. Being part of the APP Foundation had taught me a lot, especially the value and importance of mentoring and volunteering, and all the virtue focus that I've attended honed me into the better person I am now. Thank you.
For me, Cachet is giving kindness, blessings, and happiness. Ang natutunan ko po bilang part po ng Cachet is whatever we do, work it with all our heart.
Cachet has shaped who I am today. It has taught me discipline, empathy, and responsibility. It helped me understand different perspectives and guided me to make better choices, not just in learning, but in life. Also, I've learned how to think critically, make better choices, and grow not just academically, but more as a confident, respectful, and compassionate person.
Being part of Cachet helped me grow so much as a person. Through volunteering, seminars, and also mentoring, I was being shaped to become the better version of myself, lalo na this year. So I am grateful for all the experiences na naranasan ko throughout my journey in Cachet.
Hi Cachet family, the best lesson that I have learned in Cachet is to be contented in what you have in this life. I realized that we don't need to have everything to be happy. I learned that true happiness comes when we stop comparing ourselves to others and start being thankful for the simple things that we have in our life. For 3 years as a Kashay officer and KWG, I learned to live with tenacity, growing stronger through every challenges. And through the people I met and in volunteering, I learned that even small actions can create a lasting impact.
Through my 2 years involvement as the member of the TWG and Kashay, I have learned that every program we undertake, it requires wholehearted commitment, clear understanding, and a strong sense of purpose, as these values guide us towards personal growth and a truly meaningful and prosperous life.
The most important lesson that I have learned in Kashay is to live with integrity and love others by respecting them the way we respect ourselves.
Hi, I'm Aliza from Kaming High School. In Kashay, I've learned the value of connection with friends, family, and God. This helped me become more understanding and positive person.
Ang paborito kong bagay na tinuro sa akin ng Kashay ay i-cherish yung mga tao sa paligid ko at yung mga moments ko kasama sila. Regardless of the fact na maaari kaming i-challenge ng panahon o ng distansya sa pagitan ng mga lugar na aming pinanggagalingan. Kashay made me believe na walang pinipili ang pagkakaroon ng connection. Nexus forever.